Hi, in this video we're going to discuss how to apply the chain rule by using the function notation form. So basically a chain rule is applied to find the derivative of any function that is composed of two or more functions. Y equals f of g of x, where f is the outer function and g is the inner function. So here y is composed of two functions, the inner and the outer function. The inner function is the function substituted into the outer function. So if you're asked to find y prime, how to find it? It's the derivative of the composite function f of g of x, the derivative of the outer function f prime, times the derivative of the inner function. I find f prime and then g prime. And at the end, I will substitute g of x into f prime. Let's have an example. Given y equals e power x squared minus 5. So what's y prime here? In this case, the function y is composed of the exponential function and the polynomial function. And here's exponential is the outer, which is f, and the polynomial is the inner function because it's substituted into e, which is the g. So let's define the functions. The outer function is f of k equals e power k. Here you can define the variable as you want. The most important to know the outer function is the exponential. And g of x equals x squared minus 5. So now let's find y prime. In order to find y prime, I have to find f prime and g prime. Let's start finding the derivatives of the function f, then g. F prime of k, because here I have same variable k, so the derivative of the exponential is the exponential, which is e power k. And the derivative of the function g prime of x equals, as we know here we have an exponent which is x squared. So I have to apply the power rule. The power rule says x power n prime equals n times x power n minus 1. So what's the derivative of x squared? Here I have exponent 2, x power 2 prime. It's here n equals 2, so it will be 2 times x power 2 minus 1, which is 2x. So the derivative of the function g prime of x is the derivative of x squared, which is 2x, minus the derivative of 5, and we know the derivative of every constant is 0, which is equal to 2x. So here we found f prime and g prime, f prime and g prime, and we're asked to find y prime. Let's substitute f prime and g prime in order to find y prime. So using the rule, y prime equals f prime of g of x times g prime of x equals, here is the derivative of f, which is f prime of k equals e power k. Here's the variable is k, so it's e power k. It's e, so f prime is e. Here I have f prime of g of x. Here f prime of k, it's e power k. Here f prime of g of x, it's e power g of x. Times the derivative g prime of x equals to 2x, which is equal to, as we all know, y prime should be in terms of x. So I have to substitute g of x by x squared minus 5. E power x squared minus 5 times 2x. Therefore, dy by dx, which is the derivative of e power x squared minus 5 with respect to x, equals 2x e power x squared minus 5. This is the derivative of y using the function notation form. If you prefer to use the second form, which is the Leibniz form, so you can check the second video.